Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to get straight hair with as little breakage as possible for curly hair sisters. Since I am trying to keep my hair healthy and curly most of the time, I do however straighten my hair maybe once a month just to see how long it's been getting, to enjoy like a week or 5 days of straight hair and the easiness of taking care of it. With this video, I don't want to disencourage people to wear their curly hair. Obviously curly hair sisters, we rock in the game, but it is nice, and I think it's also one of the benefits of having curly hair is that we can do all these extra styles. So yeah, if you want to see how I get my hair straight and avoid breakage, please keep watching. Okay, so first I started out parting my hair into 4 equal parts and putting just enough coconut oil. And let that sit for the time that I would be cleaning or doing other house chores. Normally washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner, doesn't really matter which one. Put a hair mask in to really hydrate my hair. I put this product that is anti-spliss, so anti-breakage, into my hair and brush that in. Put heat protectant spray on my hair because that is basically the biggest problem with breakage, is that your hair is not protected. So don't forget this step. And then I parted my hair into 4 equal parts, or more or less equal parts, and then would tie them up so that they dry evenly and don't tangle again. This weird hairstyle would just be for the next few minutes since my hair dries very quick. When my hair is somewhat still damp, I use this hair straightener. It is good for wet hair and dry hair, so I usually use it on my moist hair because I just feel like it straightens that much better. And I just go in and straighten those curls out, girl. The straightener that I'm using in this video is the Ionic Le Pro by Babyliss. My friend actually suggested this, and I just feel like it works so much better than a ceramic plated hair straightener. And the good thing is you can also use it on damp or even wet hair, so that just makes everything so much easier for me. As you can see, my roots are not perfectly done, and the back of my head probably isn't either. I usually call my sister to do that for me. My roots do, however, get straight over time, so they don't actually need that much heat, and I don't like to apply heat where it's not necessary. And therefore, I just add my hair oil in. Any type of hair oil that is nourishing will do. Once it's time for me to rewash my hair, I usually put in a mask or also again my coconut oil, and then I wash my hair as usual, put the mask in, put conditioner in, try to hydrate my hair, and I style it as I usually do for my curly hairstyles. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.